Hi guys, we're at the airport and we're almost there to Malta. See you there.
We're just arriving in our B&B in Malta. I'm going to show you around. So let's go. So first we have our living and dining area, eating area right here, kitchen.
Really nice kitchen, eh?
Really nice.
Yeah,
kitchen.
it's a pretty big kitchen.
And then we have the main bedroom.
It's a good size.
Good size, nice and roomy. Bedroom number 2. Nice and cozy, single bed. We'll just get ready to pack out. And because I'm tired and I don't really have any sugar, I'm gonna mix this with my coffee.
No keto in Malta. Good morning from Malta. So today is day 1 of a full day. We're going to do a walking tour of Valletta, which is the major city. We're going to take a bus there. We're leaving the apartment now, and hopefully we can figure out which bus route we have to take in order to get to the city center. So we'll meet you there. Oh, I think, let's see, let's ask.
Malta sightseeing.
That's the bus? No idea.
That's the bus.
But we don't know if it's going to
Valletta city. On this side? This bus?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay, but on the, thank you. We're staying in a town called Salema, which is about half an hour from the city center. It's really beautiful. It's right by a bay. The apartments are pretty inexpensive. And there's this beautiful boulevard or promenade, as they call it, that you can walk down, I don't know, however many kilometers across the bay. So really happy that we chose this area, and we will see you in Valletta. So we found our walking tour guide, and there's like 30 of us on the tour, which is fine. And the tour guide is actually a history teacher, so she's telling us so much history about the country. Very interesting.
Italy, France, Germany, Spain, Russia, from Poland, from Scandinavia. In order to communicate better, they lived in houses according to their language or nationality. And these houses, they were called auberges, hostels. And in fact, we have one of them behind us. This is the auberge of Castile, Leon, and Portugal. There are 2 coat of arms. One with the lion, the coat of arms of Spain, and the other one is the coat of arms of Portugal.
The city of Valletta was built in the 16th century by the Knights of the Order of St. John. Funded by the Vatican, the Knights established it as a refuge to care for injured soldiers during the Crusades. Walking through these streets, you really feel like you're back in time with all of the baroque architectural buildings throughout the city, and yet they blend well with modern structures. Grand Master La Valletta led the effort to make the city a fortification against invasion, and as a result, it was named in his honor. Although very small, Valletta is Malta's capital city and was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its high concentration of historical buildings. Upper Baroque Gardens is a perfect spot to get a panoramic view of the Grand Harbor, also known as Valletta Port. From this viewpoint, you can see the famous 3 medieval fortified cities, Birgu, Sanglia, and Cospicua, also known as Vittorica, Aila, and Bomla. Here's Winston Churchill. He came to Malta 6 times. Valletta is the smallest capital of the European Union with a population of just over 5,000, but has been a strategic location in wartime and still stands today high above the Mediterranean Sea. This board shows what movies were filmed in the Grand Harbor. We have Game of Thrones, Troy, Munich, Da Vinci Code, Assassin's Creed.
Okay, I wish I said it earlier. I swear to you.
I believe you.
I
Of course, it looks like Assassin's Creed.
No, but it was the weirdest thing. I couldn't get out of my head.
Gladiator, The Count of Monte Cristo, Popeye. So many movies.
Jackie,
Yes, Patrick.
how did you enjoy your tour of Valletta so far?
I thought it was really good. Our tour guide was excellent. It's beautiful. Love it here so far.
So Keenan, are you enjoying your gelato? It's a Romeo and Juliet gelato.
It's Romeo and Juliet, but it is gelato.
So do you want to share it with me and Mom?
Yeah, it's better than my first favorite, vanilla.
Vanilla's your first favorite?
Yeah, but now it's my second.
Okay.
We just took a nap because we had a long day at in Valletta. And okay, Keenan did not take a nap. He wants everyone to know he doesn't sleep in the afternoon. But we're just gonna walk the promenade, maybe spend an hour out here, work off the pizza that we had for lunch. So here's the promenade. Apartments over here. And then here is, I believe it's a bay. I'm not sure why these people are in the water because it's not that warm. It's a beautiful sunset, P. So today was a fantastic day in Malta. Really beautiful, very friendly people. We've met people from all over the world, really. When we went on the walking tour, there were people from Greece and Trinidad and where else?
Kenya, Germany, Ukraine.
Yeah, it was like there's a lot of tourists here. And then during our walk on the boardwalk, we met somebody from Angola, Tunisia. So Tunisia is now on our bucket list because we've heard, he told us so much wonderful stuff about Tunisia. Very family friendly. Keenan just had a game of football, or what we call soccer, in a park area. We're having a great time.
So we're just arriving in our B&B.
TV.
Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah, Game of Thrones on Sunday. This view is beautiful. I can look at this all day.
Then look at it all day. If you can look at it all day, just look at it all day.
Thank you, Keenan. Gelato burger. Yeah, that's gross.
Keenan? Keenan, you there? How did you like the tour? Is there any areas that you liked more than others? Good.